Broadcom has announced changes following the integration of Fusion and Workstation. The fully featured VMware Workstation Pro and Fusion Pro are now free for personal use and paid for commercial use, leading to the discontinuation of the simpler Workstation Player and Fusion Player products. Personal users can upgrade to the Pro versions at no cost. Fusion Player users need to update to version 13.5.2 and remove their license key to unlock Pro features. Workstation Pro requires a fresh download and install. Existing commercial customers can continue using their current player versions until their support ends. All licenses and accounts have been migrated to Broadcom's customer portal.